how to create a sign up form in Mailchimp. So first go to Mailchimp, and then what you need to do here is just click on audience and then click on sign up forms here at the left. Okay, now from here just click on create new form. Okay, now from here you just need to select among the three that you want to use. So I'll just use pop-up form. Click on create pop-up form, then type in your form name. So I'll just type in form 1, and then choose your audience, and then just click on continue to builder. Okay, now from here you can edit your form however you want to look exactly how you want it to look like. And then after doing that, just click on continue. Okay, connect your site to publish a pop-up form. So to publish a pop-up form, you need to connect your site, enter your website URL here, and then toggle this checkbox here, and then just click on get started. If you want to do that later, you can also just click on I'll do this later. Okay, just click on continue or preview. You can preview your pop-up form here as well. Then after that, just click on cancel. Okay, now as you can see, now I have the draft on my form. So if you want to publish it, you can do that anytime. Just click on edit, and if you want to publish it, of course, continue, and then type in your website URL, toggle this on, and then just click on get started. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.